So can I have some?
No.
No?
No, baby, because they have a low caffeine that's only for me.
Oh, okay. Are you going to taste them?
Only a slice.
Okay. And what are they made of?
They're made of caffeine. No, they're made of gummies.
Gummies? I thought... What else are they made of?
Oh, bad Tootsie Rolls. The Tootsie Rolls that I am supposed to eat.
Okay.
The best Tootsie Rolls that you're not supposed to eat.
No, okay.
Yeah, but... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this has lots of terrible things.
Yeah?
This has changement, like breaks in this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I shouldn't eat it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not good.
Well, it looks like you're enjoying it.
Yes, I am, and you're not gonna enjoy this.
I wouldn't enjoy that?
Yeah.
It tastes bad?
You have a lot of caffeine in your mouth because you're eating gum.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.